The sky is falling. The sky is falling. Relax. The sky isn't falling. It's being sucked into outer space. And so are the oceans, the trees, the cars, the roads, the bridges, even Earth's core, and you. So hold on tight, because you're in for a wild ride. Here's what would happen if Earth lost gravity for just 5 seconds. Unless you're an astronaut, you probably don't spend much time thinking about gravity. We take it completely for granted. Almost every human who has ever lived has known only one reality, a world where gravity exists. Gravity holds everything together, from galaxies to solar systems to planets, and all the way down to our own bodies. It's the reason Earth orbits the sun, the reason we have tides, the reason you can walk without floating into the sky. Most importantly, gravity holds our atmosphere in place, the very air we need to breathe. So to understand just how important gravity really is, let's imagine something terrifying. It disappears, but only for 5 seconds. Earth is still spinning at about 1,600 kilometers per hour. Without gravity, anything not firmly attached to the ground would be thrown outward instantly. Cars, boats, trains, planes, and people. Near the equator, where Earth spins fastest, the effects would be the worst. In just 5 seconds, you could be flung more than 2 kilometers in any direction. And it wouldn't just be you. Animals, buildings, trees, soil, and entire bodies of water would be lifted into the air. Oceans, lakes, and rivers would rise into massive floating floods. At the same time, Earth's atmosphere would begin drifting into space. Oxygen would rush away, and the sudden drop in air pressure would rupture eardrums instantly. But the planet itself wouldn't escape unharmed either. Gravity is what holds Earth together. Without it, pressure from the planet's inner core would cause Earth to expand. Not enough to explode, but enough to trigger catastrophic earthquakes and massive volcanic eruptions. Now imagine lava flying through the sky. Out in space, the planets would stop orbiting the sun and begin drifting away. Earth would move at nearly 30 kilometers per second. In just 5 seconds, it would travel 150 kilometers off its path. That alone wouldn't remove Earth from the habitable zone. But what kind of world would be left? Then gravity suddenly returns. You crash back to the ground. If the impact doesn't kill you, if you're not crushed by falling debris, you'd still be severely injured. Oxygen would rush back as the atmosphere settles again, but earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would continue as Earth's core compresses back into place. Massive flooding would follow as displaced oceans crash back onto land. And in those 5 seconds without gravity, Earth's crust would have cracked open in multiple places, swallowing entire cities. The number of casualties would be unimaginable. All of this in just 5 seconds. And that's how essential gravity really is to life on Earth and beyond. You may feel small, but you're part of something far bigger than yourself, something invisible, yet powerful enough to keep the entire planet together. Now imagine this. What if Earth's gravity suddenly doubled? That's a story for another time.